There's God. There's mummy. Daddy. Brother and sister. There's my principal. Teacher. Stop. Bless me. And make me all good. Girlish child. Praise him. Praise him in the morning, praise him in the noontime. Praise him. Praise him in the sun goes down. Love him. Love him in the morning, love him in the noontime. Love him. Love him in the sun goes down. Thank him. Thank him in the morning, thank him in the noontime. Thank him. Thank him in the sun goes down. Trust him. Trust him in the morning, trust him in the noontime. Trust him in the sun goes down.
India, my country.
This my country.
All is all.
Yes, sir.
My
sister. I love my country and I am proud of it. Teacher, very hard days. I shall always strive to be worthy of peace. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and adults. Till everyone, Vikas Singh. To my country and my people, I bless my new cause. India will be for Fotorola. Realize my happiness.
My name is Krisadar. Today is my fact. Success is when your signature turn into your autograph. Today also my fact. Did you know started do not have a brain?
My name is Aditya Yadav. Today is my news. National news. Congress driven by vote bank politics and serious issue BJP. International news. 15 people sued to critical injured at Halvan party in Chicago. Educational news. University body chairman question opposition to national education policy. Sport news. World Cup 2023 India becomes second most successful team in ODI World Cup history. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Himanshu Rajbhar. Today is my GK question. From class nursery, what is the color of your school shoes? Right answer. From class LKG, which number come after the number 49? I repeat my question. What number come after the number 49? Right answer. From class UKG, what is the name of your class teacher? Right answer. From class first, what is your name of your school? Right answer. From class second, how many main organs are in our body? I repeat my question. How many main organs are in our body? Right answer is 5. सही है? From class third, who is the Prime Minister of India? Right answer. From class 4th, who is the Chief Minister of UP? Right answer. From class 5th, who is the President of India? Right answer. From class 6, who is the governor of UP? I repeat my question. Who is the governor of UP? Wrong answer. Right answer is Anandiben Patel. From class 7, who is the first Home Minister of India? I repeat my question. Who is the first Home Minister of India? Right answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. From class 8, who formed the Indian National Congress Party in 1885? I repeat my question. Who formed the Indian National Congress Party in 1885? Right answer. Which city is, from class 9th, which city is known as Manchester of India? I repeat my question. Which city is known as Manchester of India? Right answer is Ahmedabad. From class 10th, 19th Commonwealth Game held at. I repeat my question. 19th Commonwealth Game held at. Right answer is New Delhi. Thank you.
Saskans Yadav, Anya Gaunt, please come on the stage and English rhymes.
My name is Sanskar Yadav. Good morning, all of you. My name is Anya Gaunt. Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling like, no, Papa. Open mouth, ha, ha, ha. The 12, 12 2 24, 12 3 36, 12 4 48, 12 5 60, 12 72, 12 7 84, 12 8 96, 12 9 108, 12 27 20.